If your click rates in your email are shocking, now this is going to help you out. This is what I show all my clients, whether I'm doing the email for them or not, because this works. This gets more clicks, and if you get more clicks, generally you'll get more revenue. So I want to highlight a few things first. There's a dashed line right here, and that's called the fold line. That is what people will see above the fold, is what when they first open up the email, what they'll see. So here, my pathetic drawing of a mobile phone shows you exactly that. So they'll see that when they first open up an email before they scroll anywhere. So how do we structure an email to make it pop? Right, obviously at the top the logo, then the headline, then the subheadline, and then the image, then a call to action button, the button that makes them click. Then, as I described, there's a fold. That's where the phone stops when you first open up. So therefore, when someone opens up, they get all the information they want. They haven't got to scroll, they've got all the information they want, and they can decide to click or leave. But as long as we give them all the information up front, the likelihood they click is way higher, just because it's there in front of them. So if they're interested, they're going to bounce straight through to the next stage. Now, below the fold, this is another important thing. I put here, do whatever the fuck you want after that. Put whatever you want after the fold, whatever you want. Information, images, whatever. But the most important thing you see here, the call to action button must be the same. It must send them to the same place. So there's no confusion. You add any confusion into this, you lose conversion, you lose money, you lose sales. So therefore, this is the most simplistic way, whether you're doing a sale, whether you're promoting a blog, whatever it is you're doing, structure it like this. Logo, headline, subheadline, image, call to action button, all above the fold. That's it. Do this on a regular basis. Every time you send an email, you will generate more sales in your business. Go get it. And if you need me to do this for you, contact me. Drop me a DM, send me an email, whatever it is. Just contact me and we'll get this fixed and make more money in your business.